Hi, Matt. Hi, Frank. How are you guys doing today? Frank? Matt? Do you see those walls? I wonder who scribbled on them. You're right, Matt. This is not tolerable. We need to catch the culprit. Matt, Frank, did you notice that? More scribbles on those walls. You're right, Frank. These scribbles look very much similar to the ones we saw before. Come, let's catch him red-handed. Nobody in this street. Let's check the next one. Check this out, guys. I think we have our guy. Wheels up. You're under arrest for... Sorry, Gary. We thought you were the one responsible for the scribbles on the walls. Okay, let's find the real culprit this time. Nothing suspicious here. Nothing here, too. Hi, Lucy. Yeah, we know. You've seen the scribbling on the walls, too. Well, we are trying to catch the culprit. You be careful now. Bye. Hey, look! What is Billy the Bulldozer doing here? I say we have found our culprit. Stop whatever you're doing, Billy. We know you're the one who's been defacing the city walls. Sorry, Billy. I think we may have made a mistake. It looks like you're busy with some work. Please accept our apologies, Billy. We're off to find the real culprit. Bye. Oh, that was a gross error. We need to be careful the next time around. You're right, Matt, Frank. We cannot go around blaming innocent people. That's unfair. I know it's too early, but something about Tyler standing near a partly defaced police station looks really suspicious. So what do you think, guys? Should we take him on? Wheels up, Tyler. Stop! We know you're up to no good. And now we have proof, too. Caught ya! Oh, Tyler is escaping. Catch him, Matt. Faster!
it wasn't me.
Now, time to make amends, Tyler. It will teach you to be careful the next time around. Good work, Matt. Good work, Frank. See you guys around.